Hi, I'm Jim Brickell, and this is Getting to Know Your 2022 Lincoln Nautilus. We're sitting in the driver's seat to get you all set up in your new vehicle. The vehicle does include push-button start, so with your foot on the brake, hit the green button, start the vehicle. Now, when you start, you will get a message on your center screen, vehicle data sharing. Share location, driving data, voice commands with Lincoln Associate, with this vehicle, with John B's Lincoln Way account, and enable Lincoln Way connected services. So, gonna remind me later about that. Now, to get started, you're going to want to go to your personal profiles. So you can create a profile so that any changes you make to settings such as driver assistance, navigation, phone, audio will be saved automatically. The profile will be linked to a memory button that you can press to activate settings associated with your profile. You can also link the profile to a key fob or phone so that your settings get activated when you use that key fob or phone to turn on your vehicle. So to get started, you would hit yes, you would save your name, and then follow the instructions as you go along. Now, you do have a power adjustable driver's seat, and once you've used the controls on the side of the chair, you will lock it in with buttons 1, 2, or 3. So you would push the button, hold it until it beeps, and that will lock it in. And you would associate it with your profile. Also on the driver door, you're going to have your power mirrors, so pick which mirror you want. Use the arrows to move them in the desired direction, and you also have the power fold them in. Your power windows are there. Over on the dash, the power release for your power liftgate. TCS, that's traction control system, where you can turn it off. Your headlamps, right now we're in the automatic setting, and then your panel dim switch, so brighter and dimmer. Down below we have our electronic parking brake, and on the side of the steering wheel we have our tilt and telescopic steering wheel, so push to move it up, down, away from you, towards you, all to make it more comfortable for you in your best driving position. Now we come to the settings on the steering wheel. So we've got our volume control and seek to the next preset station. Down below this we have our cruise control, so you want to turn it on or off. Adaptive cruise control, you can, so we'd first turn on cruise control. We look at the dash, and now we go to this button here, and that's going to change the distance you'll stay behind a vehicle when you're using adaptive cruise control. The one next to that is your lane centering. So when you're on the highway, you've got the adaptive cruise on. You can also help, the vehicle can help you stay centered in your lane. On the right hand side of the steering wheel, the bottom is for settings. So now when it goes to settings, you've got your drive control. You're going to hit the OK. That'll take us to handling and drive, giving you a choice of comfort, normal, and sport. So as you hit the going up or down, it switches to the various ones, and you can put it into comfort. Handling in S and handling or performance in S. So that's your sport mode. Next to that one, we have our navigation. So navigation, my home, previous destinations, favorites, POI, that stands for points of interest that are nearby. Then DISP is for display. So now you've got the display, gauges, info, display setup. So you hit the OK and go to distance. Do we want miles and gallons, kilometers and liters per 100 kilometers? You choose which one is most appropriate for you. Go down to temperature. Would you like it in Celsius or Fahrenheit? Tire pressure, language. So you choose how you want the vehicle set up and the information that's going to be given to you. So under your display setup, you can choose, you can get all of those. Now, by hitting the display, it's now set up. So as we go down, we've got our trip 1. We've got the fuel economy. We've got your tire pressure. We've got a comm screen, so it has minimal information displayed, just the basics of what you need. So it's all customizable to how you want the vehicle set up. Back to your main screen now. So this is in the center of the vehicle. Your heated steering wheel is right up here. And on the right-hand side, you've got some choices. So with this button here, phone, navigation, audio, climate. So if you want climate, you've got your frost, where the air is flowing, if you want it on your feet, and another spot for the heated steering wheel. Now, we've got our main screen. So adding a phone.
Search for your vehicle on your device.